Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today we're going to learn about compare A and B problems. So, if we have a problem like this, how are we going to solve it? First, we want to read it. Compare A and B if 40% of A is equal to $300 and 30% of B is equal to $400. Now, we want to highlight important information. Notice how A is not a number. It's a variable. And it says that it's equal to $300. And this, remember, we have to compare. And it's asking 30% of B is equivalent to $400. So let's see. How can we solve it? We can do this format. Let me just write it in pencil. A over blank is equivalent to 40 over 100. Well, now it's much easier to solve, right? Now we know that we can solve it. But wait, isn't there something missing? Remember, we forgot the 300. So now it makes sense. Let's solve this equation. So here we cross multiply because we want to prove that it's a proportion. So now we know 8 times 40 is 40A. And we have to figure out 48 is equivalent to 300 times 100. Which in this case, it would be 30000, which is 30,000. And remember the 48. So we have 48 is equivalent to 30,000. Now, let's do the division. 30,000 divided by 40A. We can cross the 0 and A, the 0 over here, since we crossed that 0. Now, we can try doing it. So, 4 goes into 3, 0 times, so 4 goes into 37 times, so that would be minus 28, which would be 20. Now we have the 20. So 4 times 5 is 20. Yay! So now we have a bunch of zeros left over. Well, 1. So now we know that A is equivalent to 750. Well, yeah, 750. And now we have to find the other value. Because remember, because we're comparing. So, now let's see what B says. B says 30% of B is equal to $400. Let's try this. Let's just make like a line. Okay. It says 30%. So the same format. be 30 over 100. Wait 1 minute. Let me just make that smaller. Is equivalent to B over $400. So now let's do this. We would have to cross simplify because it's a proportion. So it'd be 30B is equivalent to 400 times 100, which would be 30B is equivalent to 4000, which in this case would be 40,000. Now let's divide. 40,000 divided by 30B. So now, remember we cross the 0 and B, the 0. So now it would be 3 divided by 4,000, which would be 1, 10, and then we have 3, 9, 1, 0. You use that. Now we're using that. So that would be another 3. That would be minus 9, would be 1, 0. So that would be 0.333 because it's a repeating decimal. So if you were to get your answer for B, you would get that B is equivalent to 1333.333. But remember, now we still have to compare. We got that A is 750 and B is 1,333.33333. Now you tell me, which one's bigger, B or A? So our answer should be A is less than B. So if we were to write an answer, our answer would look exactly like this. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.